Hello and welcome back to Cool Prints Today. I'm Tim, and today we're going to be covering doing a vinyl heat transfer onto a shirt. I had an order that was a one-off, and I don't have the screen burnt and ready to print, so I decided to go ahead and do this with heat transfer vinyl. I'm not going to be covering in this video the actual process of cutting it out through with your vinyl cutter and all that. We'll do a different video at a later date, so make sure you subscribe and like. But let's go ahead and carry on with this order. I apologize, my office is a mess. Had a lot of stuff going on that week. It's been a few weeks ago. Okay, so let's go ahead and this part here, if you guys don't know, with vinyl, you always have to do a weeding on your designs to get it before you heat transfer it. And you always take the design and you mirror it backwards when you look at it, because you're going to take it and put it on the shirt, and it's going to be the correct direction that way. You can either, I use Corel Draw for my designing software, and then I use the software that came with the Silhouette Cameo 3. It works pretty good. Haven't had no problems yet. And just try different vinyl. There's some that work well and some that don't work so well. I usually order mine through Amazon. And this stuff is sticky, especially the ones for the t-shirts that I use. They stick to everything. And that is heat transfer vinyl for t-shirts. It's not vinyl for decals and that sort of thing, so it's the right stuff. And yes, that table is low. You got to make sure you get every little piece, because if you don't, what ends up happening is it'll stick to that clear sheet, and if you don't see it and you press the shirt with the heat press, that'll be on your garment. And this particular shirt's going to be white, so it would show up pretty bad on the white garment. Okay, I will actually heat press this wrinkled shirt before, but it's going to be off camera. You always want to make sure you press it the first time to get all the moisture and make sure it's nice and smooth. I'm just right here just kind of lining it up to make sure that's where I want to go with it, and then I'll press that area. Using a press that I got off of actually off of eBay. It was one of those 8-in-1s. I recommend saving your money and buying good stuff, because I've had nothing but problems with things. I mean, it works okay, but for a business, it's not something that you would want to be having all the time to have to press shirts with, for sure. So I recommend spending the extra money. Line it up here. Make sure all the wrinkles are down, if there's any. Shouldn't be, because you've already pressed the shirt. All right, I'm going to turn this around here, and we're at 345 degrees at 15 seconds. Press down, and now just wait. Voila. It's a hot peel, so we'll peel right away. I always like to press one more time, because this is new vinyl. I haven't actually tested, so I'll just give it a quick press. Same temperature, just a little less time. After this, I'll press the rest of the shirt. That way it's not wrinkled when the customer gets it, and put it in a bag and mail it off. And that's the extent of this video. Okay, now after I get done pressing it, what I'll do is I'll press the entire shirt. That way it's not wrinkly for my customer. That's the last thing you want them to see, is wrinkles and stuff in a shirt when they first get it. There'll be a few, of course, from folding it up and putting it in the packaging. But it shouldn't be like wadded up mess, you know what I mean? After that, just mail it off, and that's it. Wait for the next order. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the video, and as always, make sure you like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.